Mastering modal verbs for ability, a sentence transformation journey. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of modal verbs for ability, focusing specifically on sentence transformation exercises. If you've ever had trouble understanding how to use modal verbs to express ability, or how to change sentences using these verbs, don't worry. You're in the right place. First things first, we need to clarify what modal verbs for ability are. Modal verbs for ability include can, could, be able to. They are used to express abilities or opportunities, both in present, past or future situations. For example, I can swim, present ability. I could swim when I was a kid, past ability. I will be able to swim after I take swimming lessons, future ability. In sentence transformation exercises, our task is to keep the same meaning while changing the structure of the sentence. This often involves using different grammar structures or word choices. For instance, you could transform the sentence, I am able to play the piano, to, I can play the piano. Now, let's start practicing some sentence transformations using our modal verbs for ability. Here's an example. Original sentence. I could play guitar when I was younger. Transformed sentence. I was able to play guitar when I was younger. Can you see how both sentences express the same ability in the past, but use different modal verbs? Let's continue practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect. Here are some sentences for you to transform. 1. Original. I can cook Italian dishes. Transform. I, blank, cook Italian dishes. 2. Original. They could speak French when they lived in Paris. Transform. They, blank, speak French when they lived in Paris. 3. Original. After my training, I will be able to run a marathon. Transform. After my training, I, blank, run a marathon. The gaps are to be filled with am able to for the first, were able to for the second, and will can for the third. And that's a wrap. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to use modal verbs for ability in sentence transformation exercises. With a bit of practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Remember, language learning is a journey, so don't worry if you don't get everything right immediately. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvements. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning!